Hello, how are you? Welcome to a new installment of your Pharmacy Assistant. On this occasion, we would talk about what it is used for and how it is used. So let's take a look.
Hey everyone, if you're looking for relief from constipation, upset stomach, heartburn, or indigestion, you might have heard of milk of magnesia. Today, I'm bringing you a complete guide on how to use this versatile remedy. Milk of magnesia, or magnesium hydroxide, is a common over-the-counter medication. It works by drawing water into the intestines, which helps soften stool and makes it easier to go. It also neutralizes stomach acid, providing relief from heartburn and indigestion. But when should you use it? It's typically recommended for temporary relief from constipation or symptoms of excess stomach acid. However, there are a few things to keep in mind. It's not suitable for long-term use, and it's essential to follow the recommended dosage. Speaking of dosage, for adults experiencing constipation, the usual starting dose is 30 to 45 milliliters, which can be adjusted based on your response. Always shake the bottle well and measure the dose accurate. You can take it with water or juice to make it taste better. However, it's not all easy. Potential side effects include stomach cramps, diarrhea, and an electrolyte imbalance. It's crucial not to use milk of magnesia if you have kidney problems without talking to your doctor. In conclusion, milk of magnesia can be a helpful remedy when used correctly. Always start with the lowest possible dose and adjust as needed. And remember, if symptoms persist, it's important to consult your doctor. That's all for today. Stay healthy and informed.
If you've made it this far, let us know in the comments why you're using this medicine.